Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set your default search engine in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here. I'm currently signing into my freshly created brand new account which I created only for these videos. What you want to do if you want to set your default search engine is click on the three lines at the top left corner of your phone. After that, you want to click on settings. It's kind of in the middle of your phone at the left side. And here you have the second option called default apps. Click on those. And here you can select a default browser. You can select from Chrome, Google, or Safari. Or if you have any more downloaded on your phone, you can select from those too. So yeah, guys, you just have to click on it, and it automatically sets it as a default search engine. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.